I am going to ask you the spelling of 5 words.
Okay.
$100 per word. If you get all 5 words correct, you get 500 rupees. But if you answer 2 or 3 correctly, you get nothing. Your first word, smile.
SMILE.
Keep that.
Right.
Don't put it in your pocket.
No.
LASIK.
LASIK.
I'm losing all my money. The next word is nephrolithotomy.
NEPHROLITHTMY.
Unfortunately, that was the wrong answer. Liposuction.
LIPOSUCTION.
Winner take all or loser leave all. Varicocelectomy.
VARICOCEL select ECTOMY.
Oh my god, and we have a winner, ladies and gentlemen. Here you are. All 5 words, 5 on 5. Well done. If you need help with your surgery, remember, Medfin is easier to say than nephrolithotomy.